You don't need a laptop to get paid in dollars. You need the phone that is already in your hands right now. My name is Anute Cletus and everything on this list works on a smartphone. Nothing else. No laptop, no expensive setup, no more waiting to save up to buy a laptop first. These are 13 real jobs. They only require your phone and they all pay in dollars. And if you close this video now, you miss the trick that gets your application seen before everyone else. Even from a phone. Let's start from the ones that almost nobody online is talking about. The first job is ESL teacher and it's app-based. This is where you teach English language to students abroad, entirely through a mobile teaching app, and there's no classroom needed and no lesson planning software. Just you, your phone, and the students who wants to practice. The typical pay runs anywhere from $8 to as much as $20 per hour, depending on the platform and on your experience. Now, where do you apply to these jobs? Cambly and Palfish are both fully app-based, and they accept beginners with no teaching certificate. Now, how do you get this job? First, you record a short video intro with your phone. Then you go ahead to pass their screening test, and you can begin teaching within days. The next job is mobile affiliate marketer. This is where you promote a product using a link, and you earn commission every time someone buys through the link. Your whole workflow can live on your phone. That's posting content, sharing links, and tracking clicks. Beginners typically earn anywhere from $50 to as much as $500 per month when starting out, and it scales with your audience. Now, what platforms or companies can you apply for this job? You can get started on Amazon Associates, Skillshare, or Impact because they let you sign up directly from your phone browser. Now, how do you get it? Pick one product category you genuinely understand, get approved, then post content consistently about it on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. 93.5% of you watching my videos frequently do not subscribe, but if you've ever enjoyed my video, please can you do me a favor by clicking the subscribe button? It helps the channel more than you know, and the bigger the channel becomes, the bigger the opportunities, the collaborations, the giveaways, and even the free value I can bring you. The third job is mobile game tester. Companies pay real people to play unreleased or updated games and report bugs. You are not reviewing graphics, you are finding what breaks the flow and writing it down clearly. The pay is usually $15 to $25 per test session, and sessions run anywhere from 20 to 45 minutes. Now, where do you apply for this job? Playtest Cloud and Testleo both run mobile only testing gigs that you can complete just from your phone. Now, how do you get it? First thing you need to do is sign up, then fill your details correctly, and then accept a small test to build your track record. So if you've been watching so far, comment the word mobile money. I personally read and reply to every single comment. The fourth job is market research interviewer. This is where companies pay you for your honest opinions on products, apps, and services through short phone or video interviews. This is not the same as those survey apps. This is paid structured research work, and the session typically pays anywhere from $20 to $40 for every 20 to 40 minutes of your time. Now, where do you apply for this job? Respondent.io or user interviews. List studies you can join straight from your phone. Now, how do you get it? First, you need to complete your profile honestly in detail. The more specific your background, the more study you qualify for. The fifth job is mobile stock photographer. You take photos from your phone and companies license them for apps, websites, and content. You don't need a professional camera. Modern phone cameras are genuinely good enough. Photographers typically earn anywhere from 25 cents to as much as $1 per photo, and it adds up with a growing portfolio. Now, where do you apply? Foam or IM both let you upload directly and sell from their mobile app. Now, how do you get it? The first thing is that you need to know how to photograph everyday things well. Food, life, people, city, because buyers want authentic photos, not staged ones. The sixth job is mobile QA tester. You basically test apps or websites before they go live, and then you report if anything is confusing or broken. All testing happens directly through your phone browser or an app, with your feedback being typed or recorded. Entry-level QA gigs commonly pay $10 to as much as $25 per test completed. Now, where do you apply for this job? User testing or Userlistics both run phone-based testing sessions, and you can join them with no experience. Now, how do you get it? Complete their sample tests carefully and clearly. Clear, detailed feedback gets you invited over and over again. The seventh job is search engine evaluator. This is where you rate how useful and relevant search results are, all straight from your phone browser. There's no calls and no writing, just your judgment and following a simple document they give you. The pay runs roughly from $13 to $20 an hour, and the shifts are entirely flexible. Now, where do you apply for these jobs? Lionbridge and Telos International both hire for this, and they accept applicants working from your phone. Now, how do you get it? You can apply directly on their sites and take the qualification exam seriously, because consistency in your answers is exactly what they are scoring. Number 8 is app and website tester. Before a company launches a new app, they pay real users to try it and record their reaction. You will literally record your screen and your voice while using an app for the first time. The pay typically runs from $10 to $30 per test, and most take under 20 minutes. Where to apply for this job? User testing and Userlistics both run this format, where they allow you to use your phone from start to finish. Now, how do you get it? Speak your thoughts out clearly while testing, because companies pay more for testers who narrate well. The ninth one is mobile translator. If you are bilingual, companies will pay you to translate short pieces of content, captions, product descriptions, and app text. Most of these jobs happen through an app or mobile-friendly dashboards, and there's no laptop required. The pay typically runs from 3 cents to 10 cents per word, and it adds up fast under large projects. Now, where do you apply? Gengo and Textmaster both let translators apply and work directly from their phone. Now, how do you get it? First, you need to pass their language proficiency proficiency test honestly. Then start with a small project to build your rating. The next job is tech support chat agent. This is where you help customers solve simple tech issues entirely through chat because there's no phone calls. Think things like password reset, login issues, how-to questions. Most companies will train you for the exact products. The pay typically runs from $12 to as much as $20 an hour, and many of these roles are phone type based support platforms. Now, where do you apply? Working Solutions and LiveWorld both hire remote chat agents that works through mobile friendly systems. Now, how do you get it? First, you need to highlight any customer service experience you have, even if it's informal, and then emphasize your typing speed and your clarity. Now, these are the 10 jobs that almost nobody talks about, but the last 3 are the ones that I trust the most because thousands of people are already earning consistently from them right now from their phones. Here's a quick reminder: my free remote work bundle has resume templates, proposal templates, cover letter templates, and hiring companies. The link is in the description to get it. Now, these are 3 jobs you probably had already and why they still work. Number 11 is freelance writer. You write captions, add copies, product descriptions, short articles, and they're all typeable just from your phone. Clients care about quality and deadlines, not the device type you used to write it. The pay ranges anywhere from $30,000 to as much as $80,000 depending on the experience of the freelancer. Now, where do you apply? You can either apply on Upwork or Contra because they both work fine for mobile freelancers, and you can send proposals and job applications directly from the app. Now, how do you get this job? First, write one short sample in the style that the clients want, then save it as a link or create a portfolio for it and get a link to the portfolio, then attach that link to every single proposal you send. Number 12 is online tutor. This is where you teach a subject you already know, school subjects like English, even test preparations through a mobile app. The sessions happen through a video call or a chat, and it's all inside one app in your phone. The pay typically runs from $10 to as much as $25 per hour for beginners, and it climbs up with specialized subjects. You can apply on Kably or Preply, even italki, because they all let you apply and teach directly from your phone. Now, how do you get this job? First, record a short confidence intro video and be specific about exactly what you can teach. Number 13 is virtual assistant. This is where you handle scheduling, email, and small research tasks for business owners using mobile apps like Gmail and Trello. A lot of VA work is genuinely manageable with just your phone, especially task-based work. The pay typically runs from $28,000 to as much as $55,000 a year, and the pay goes really high with true fluency and reliability. Now, where do you apply for this job? Time ETC and Fancy Hands both run mobile-friendly VA platforms, or you can apply solo through Upwork. Now, how do you get this job? First, list every app that you are very comfortable with in your profile headline because clients often search by 2 names. Now, here's the part that almost nobody mentioned about phone-only remote jobs. Recruiters assume that phone applicants are less serious, and that one assumption is costing beginners a lot of opportunities. Here's exactly how to flip that assumption in your favor. In your application or profile bio, write this: mobile first professional, fully equipped and available for remote work. That single line tells them that you're intentional, not just applying because it's convenient. Then don't forget to attach one piece of proof, either a sample, a screenshot, or a link, something that shows that you can actually deliver from your phone. Recruiters are not rejecting phone applicants because of the phone, they are rejecting unclear applications. So clear and strong proof beats device type every time. Here's a trick that changed everything for me, and it works even better on a phone than on a laptop. Most beginners only apply, they never post proof of their work publicly. I posted my work publicly on Instagram and on LinkedIn, and I got clients from there naturally. Clients started messaging me first, and I stopped chasing every other opportunity I see. One client found me from India, and he paid me around $80 to as much as $150 every single week to edit the short form videos for him, which is an average of 150,000 naira every week. So your phone is not just how you do these jobs, it's also how clients find you if you set it up correctly. So that's 13 real jobs, and all you need is just your phone, and they all pay in USD, and they are all beginner friendly. If you want the shortcut, my remote work starter kit has the templates, proposal templates, AI prompts, companies hiring, and a 30-day plan to help you get your first dollar. It's just $4 and the link is below. And if you're ready to work at night and make extra money while every other person is sleeping, I made a full video on that for you called remote jobs you can do at night. No calls, it's beginner friendly, and you can do this part-time. You can click the video to watch it next. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you there. God bless you.